Hello and welcome back to my videos, and in this video we want to speak about the Docker and Docker images and how you can create your own custom images. So when you work with your project, they are committed to a single image and then later upload your image to Docker Hub or to another registry. So the first one we want to do is to be sure we have the Docker container image nginx, and we have it here, so we don't need to download it. So what I want to do is say docker run and then name and say nginx test, and it should be run on nginx. When everything here is running perfect, then we are ready to do more. So let's open one more tab. I'm scrolling up here to say docker container ls, and you can see it's up and running. It's running here, so everything is fine. Now we will go in for the shell command. So docker execute it, and then we need the docker name, and the docker name for this will be nginx test, and what we want to say bin and bash. Then we are logged inside to the Docker container. You can see if I use LA here, you can see everything about the Linux version. Now we say update, sudo app update. You don't need sudo, sorry, we are already logged in. That's fine, and we can say apt install nano. That's what we want to install, and everything is fine. Now we need to go for the user bin for the nginx, the shared and nginx and html. That's going for the index file, and you can going down here to say thank you for using nginx and and we can just say here h1 hello world, and we can basically close it down and say exit. And now we are ready to create this container to our image, and you can say docker commit and nginx test, and what should it be? Let's say Paris ng web. Let's say that's what we want to do, the container. And now we should have a docker container now. Sorry, I mean images. It's an image we have commit. We have it here, Paris ng web, and that's perfect. So let's close down this one, and for now we want to say docker run name web test. We want to run on port 4440, and it should direct to the containers port number 4080, and we basically have this run, but I don't think that's what we want. Yes, let's try. And here we go. Let's go in for port 4400 here and say 1 2 3 4, and then we have hello world. So that's how we basically build the images, and you can see the log here, and you can take an image down, spin it up as a container, and then do whatever you want to do, and then commit it as a new image, so you can use it for later use and later purpose. So thank you so much for watching this video about Docker and how you can create your own custom image with Docker. I hope you enjoy, and I really hope you want to subscribe my channel in the right corner below and press on the ding. And of course, make comments if you have any questions. I will try to answer them as fast as possible. And of course, I hope you want to like this page, to hit the like button and share with your friends and add for your playlist. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.